Hi guys! Mag-review ko sa akong napalit nga air freshener from Lenor. And I have also the spare one. This is fragrance. So let's open it. Unboxing. Ato sang iuna open. Open this one. This is electric. You can plug in the electric this one. And the one, this is refillable. My camera. Okay. And look at this. Wow. This is from Lenor. And here, this is when you plug in the socket. And they have here, it's included. But I bought the spare one because dili siya mahal. Dili siya mahal ang spare one. It costs only £1. This is £1. This is £1 for UK money. So that's why I bought the spare one. And this one, yeah, it's here. It's included. Look at my camera. It's not cooperating it. You have here the tree. This is, I don't know what smell is this. But I have the spare one. The spare one, this is Floral Breeze. This is a refill. You can both this one anywhere. You can buy anywhere in Sainsbury, Tesco. But I bought this one from, I don't know where I put, I forget this one. Yeah, this is the Cotton Fresh. And here, so first thing I need to do is let's open this one like that. Oh my god, it's too heavy. Oh my god, it's too. Okay, let's only twist like that. Okay. Oh, it's nice smell. It smells like perfume, like a perfume, like a Lancome perfume, but it's really nice smell. I love it. One of my favorite. This one. Oh my. Oh, that's too heavy. Oh my god. I don't know how to twist this one. This is really strong. It's really strong. I can't. Oh. Okay, it's here. Oh my god, last. Here. Where's this one? Oh my god, I struggle. I'm not strong enough. Oh my god. It smells like, do you know the... But I love the smell. Oh my god. Get it. One of my favorite, love the smell. So he's here. But make sure your finger is really strong because mine I struggle to twist. So here comes this one. This is the one. There's a hole in here. And here, just put like that in the front. Because look at, this is in the up. Okay, just put like this, front. This is a front. And then, have you seen the hole? There's 3 holes there. Can you see it properly, guys? And then let's put like that. Like that. Okay, so it's easy. It's easy. And they have here the minimum, maximum. I think this one is torn off. Minimum, maximum. So now let's try to plug in my socket here. So if you don't need to use it, if you are going outside, so you can turn it off. Yeah, there's a button here at the side. You can turn it off. And I have the refill. As I show you the refill. This smell, I don't know which this smell because it doesn't show here what kind of smell is it. Warning, cause skin irritation. So you need to read before use and return. Unscrew all caps, insert refill, plug in upright, alternating light indicates active send. So if the light is indicates refill change signal. Okay, if the refill change signal, so it's look like this. This is the, have you seen it properly? Yeah. Okay. So this one, if this one is finished, I need to put this one, this cotton fresh. I don't know the smell. This is my first time I bought this one. Floral breeze. I think this one is a cotton fresh because it looks blue color. I don't know how to take off this one. If it's finished, or I don't know how to okay, how to take, okay, when it's finished you need to press this one, or like that, press, then okay, it's easy. Press this one, both side, press, then pull. Okay, now I got it. Okay, now guys, so let's put here in the socket. Okay, I have the socket in here. I need to turn on, and then like that. I will put in here, so that is, put it here like that. Okay, it's turning on. Okay, where is turn off? Can you see it, guys? I don't know where's the turn off. Okay, this is off, this is maximum, this is okay, this is off. Okay, this is off. Okay, I will put like this in the middle. Yeah, so now it's indicating that it is working. I see that, I smell it. Wow, so it's good for this one in your room. It's good for the room, or what do you want? Or maybe in the in your bathroom, if you have the socket in your bathroom, you can have it. Can you see it, guys, properly? Yeah. And now the smell. I can smell it. Yeah, I can smell it now. So yeah, if you want to buy this one, it's easy, and it's not cost a lot of money. It's cheaper version. Turn off. Okay, so it's cheaper version, guys. So yeah, if you want to try this one, then yeah, why not? It's cheaper. It costs only, the refill pack is costs only £1, and this one around £3. So why not? So it's more cheaper than the other version. So thank you for watching, guys. So that's it, my review for today. Bye bye.